Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own scratch clicker game. First you want to make a new Chrome. First you want to open a new Chrome tab and search up Scratch. Then go to the first result and check and create an account or login. And when you did that, go up here, click that, and press My Stuff. Make sure either use the existing project that is blank or make a new one. I'm gonna make a new one. Then wait for it to load. And then go to variables, press make a variable, and call it money. Now you got a money scoreboard. Then press events. When this break clicked, go to variables again and drag change money by 1. Then set the value to however money you want to give them. I'm just gonna give them 30. So when they click the cat, they will get $30. So then make another variable called clicks. And then drag the same block. If it says something, so just drag this thing. Then go to the value and make sure it's 1. If it's anything else, put it back to 1. So then go into your sprite 1, and now you got these things, right? First you want to remove the cat. You could keep the cat if you want to challenge yourself. But I'm gonna remove the cat. So just make whatever you want. I'm gonna make a circle, and every time you click that circle, it will give you money. So just make the cookie or whatever you want. Then every time you click on it, it will give you the clicks and the money. Mine isn't accurate right now, but when other people play it, it will be accurate. So then you want to go make a new costume. Duplicate costume 2 or costume whatever. Just duplicate the old costume, and then now that you're here, make this the old sprite but bigger. I'll show you why later. Now that it's bigger, every time, now it's bigger. I messed it up, so I have to do it again. So now that you got the tube, then go into looks and go to drag out change costume, and then drag switch costume to costume whatever, the one you made after the old costume, and then get two of them. So make sure this one is at 2. Make sure this one is the old costume and the first one is the new costume. So that every time they click it, it changes the costume. So I'm gonna go, I kind of messed it up, so I need to fix it. I'm just gonna go do a different way of doing it. It's just dragging 2 next costumes. Then go to events, and when this sprite clicked, I deleted it on accident. So now every time you click it, it gets bigger. Then, now you got your clicker game. Press save now, and then press share. Now every time they click it, it will do something. And you can add more stats, add different stuff that gives you more money, and booty. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe. It's been a long one, and it took me so many tries to get this video right. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching.